Okay, so you're gonna go on www.nessajbeauty.com, and then so there's two places that you can go. You can either click the three lines on the right hand corner and click self-defense keychain and click self-defense kit, but to go faster, you're just gonna scroll down and they're all right here. So you're gonna click shop now, and then you're gonna scroll down to pick whichever keychain that you want. For instance, you asked about, well, I'm just gonna use wine as an example. So you click on wine, and then you scroll down and you click on the letter that you want. My name's Vanessa, so obviously I'm gonna pick the letter V. Then you click add to cart. Then you could click view cart if that's all you want. You just want that keychain. Then you're going to click checkout. Well, you're going to agree to the terms. Then you're going to click checkout. And then ship it. You're going to either ship it or pick it up depending on where you are. And then you put in all your information. And then you go to shipping. And then you check out. And that's it.